Hello guys, welcome back to another Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix Bosch fridge ice maker not working. So if you're having some problems here with your ice maker for your Bosch fridge here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So first things first is you want to guarantee that you have a fresh set of, or your water filter here is actually working properly. Now that involves you resetting your water filter here. So to be speaking, you may want to open up your fridge doors here, and on the top panel here, you want to press and hold the change filter button for about 3 seconds. Now you want to basically press menu and then select change filter and use the arrow buttons to set the number on the screen to 0. So press menu again to confirm that, and this actually resets the filter status and your ice maker may start working again afterwards. But if this doesn't work, the next thing that you want to do is you want to reset your ice maker itself. So in this case, you may want to open up your drawer here completely or all the way here. Now if your remote has a little flap over the ice maker, so around this one, now, you want to lift that flap here and to reveal the power button. Now, you may want to look for a recess button here near the power button. So it's kind of hidden, so you may want to look for it. So you may want to use a thin object like a toothpick or a small screwdriver here to gently press that recess button once. Now, once you do this, you should see the power button start flashing green, and that's your signal that it's working. Now, the tray will reposition and might make a slight hissing sound as it refills with water. So when the reset is done, the power button will turn solid green, and at that point, close the flap and the freezer drawer. Now, from then on, you can go ahead and just wait for it and see if it actually works. But if none of this actually works, the last thing that you may want to do here is you may want to basically fully reset or drain the power from your fridge here. So in this case, that involves you removing anything that is inside on your fridge here, and you want to make sure that you cut power from it. So that involves you unplugging your fridge or turning off the breaker that is connected to your fridge. Now we just need to make sure that we remove all power on it, and you want to make sure that you defrost it as well. Now, in this case, again, you may want to remove any food, or in this case, you may want to store this somewhere else, or your food that you currently have right now. Just wait for about like 6 hours to fully drain the power from it. Now, once a few hours is up, you can go and plug it back in and basically see if that actually make it start working again. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully, this video was able to help you like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.